Tomasz, perhaps now let's see why Innomotics is beyond IE4 for fan applications. An application that represents a very large proportion of where low voltage motors are used. There's different fan designs, but again, ultimately they're trying to target the best efficiency of their fan system.
Yes, right, exactly. We have already spoken about our IE4 portfolio, but in fans there's another challenge for the customers.
Yes, and then this is about the weight of the technology, which might be installed on some supporting platform high above the ground. Now, a motor with a higher efficiency also has a higher weight. And this creates a demand on the weight capacity and vibration limitations of the construction.
Yes, and we have the answer on that. We call it mighty lightweight and something quite unique on the market. It's aluminium IE4 motors.
Okay, so aluminium housing, featuring a lower weight compared to cast iron housing. But what really is the difference?
So depending on the motor type, it can be 20 to 25% weight difference compared to cast iron housing.
Is it just the housing, or are we also saving weight with some active components?
It's just the housing. So we have one motor portfolio with harmonized optical design, and we are offering two housings, aluminum and cast iron.
Okay, so the electrical parameters are the same, and the customer simply only has to make a selection, aluminium housing or cast iron. But up to what power rating?
In the IE4 class, we are offering aluminum motors up to 37 kilowatt. And when I said mighty lightweight, I mean also the powerful offer of the options and accessories for the aluminum housings, which are not common elsewhere.
Great. So with our aluminium IE4 motors, where the customer benefits from low weight and low power losses, that is mighty. Innomotics is beyond IE4.